Best ways to drink and add apple cider vinegar to your diet. There are a few ways to include apple cider vinegar in your diet. So we made a list of 12 ways you can add apple cider vinegar to your daily diet. Number 1. An easy method is to use it with olive oil as a salad dressing. It proves particularly tasty with leafy greens, cucumbers, and tomatoes, or mix it with your favorite salad dressing. It can also be used for pickling vegetables, or you can simply mix it into water and drink it. Number 2. The amount of apple cider vinegar used for weight loss is 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, mixed with water. It's best to spread this out into 2 to 3 dosages throughout the day, and it may be best to drink it before meals. Taking more than this isn't recommended because of potentially harmful effects at higher dosage. It's also best to start off with 1 teaspoon to see how you tolerate it. Do not take more than 1 tablespoon at a time because taking too much at one sitting may cause nausea. It's important to mix it with water as undiluted vinegar may burn the inside of your mouth and esophagus. Number 3. Dip your French fries in vinegar like they do in France. We were skeptical but tried this and it was delicious, especially on sweet potato fries. Number 4. Add apple cider vinegar to mayonnaise-based or other vinaigrette-based salads like coleslaw. Number 5. Use as a marinade for meat, chicken, and vegetables. A vinegar marinade works well mixed with equal parts of olive oil. Number 6. Try a delicious mixture of 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1/4 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar poured over grilled or roasted vegetables. This also works well poured over sauteed vegetables. Number 7. Glaze salmon in the broiler with a combination of apple cider vinegar mixed with honey. After baking is almost done, remove salmon, brush with the glaze, return to the oven and broil fish until top looks bubbly. Number 8. If you love popcorn and want a low-calorie substitute for butter, fill a spray bottle with apple cider vinegar and finally spray the popcorn and top with a little salt or pepper. Number 9. You can easily add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to any smoothie, but this one works well. Start by putting half tablespoon of vinegar into the blender, add a whole banana, 5 chopped strawberries, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 cup of apple or orange juice, and blend until smooth. Number 10. Start your morning with a 6 or 8 ounce glass of water mixed with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and little honey. You can also add the vinegar to any juice. Number 11. Add some zest to a large can of baked beans by adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Number 12. Rinse your fruits and vegetables with vinegar. This adds some vinegar to your diet and also removes harmful bacteria and pesticides. Try apple cider vinegar with your diet and share your experience in the comment section below. If you like our video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more health tips and other informative videos. Live healthy and strong.